morning dear students, class 12 exercise 9.2 or question number 12. In first part we are given that 1 upon sin x cos x dx integrations. In this part we have solved this question by two types of these. First of them type is we divide the denominator by cos x and multiply by this cos x. So then this became sin upon cos x, cos multiply cos, we get cos square x. So now 1 upon cos square x became secant square x, sin upon cos tan x dx is equal to integration of these. Now we put tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan x is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So then this becomes 1 upon t dt is equal to integration of this function is log t plus c. We put the value of log t. Here the value of t is tan x. We put that t is equal to tan x. Then this becomes tan x plus c. Another method of this solution, we find that we multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Then this became the property of 2 sin x cos x. It becomes sin 2x. It means 2 by sin 2x dx integration. We take 2 common out and this becomes 1 upon sin 2x. It means cosecant 2x dx integration. Now some useful property of integration is integration of tan x is equal to minus log cos x plus c or log secant x plus c. Integration of cot x is equal to log sin x plus c or minus log cosecant x plus c. Secant x dx integration log secant x plus tan x plus c. Cosecant x is equal to log cosecant minus cot x plus c. Now this is the identity of integration cosecant x. Now cosecant x is equal to log cosecant 2x minus cot 2x and integration here derivative of 2x is 2 plus c. This is the another property of this question. Now second part said that 1 by 3 sin x minus 4 sin t cube x dx integrations. So now this is the property of sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. Integration of this 1 upon sin we get cosecant 3x. Now integration of cosecant x is equal to log cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So now log cosecant 3x cot 3x plus c. Now derivative of 3x is 1 upon 3. So now this is your part number second. In third part say that 1 plus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Here are two parts, 1 by sin x plus cos x like this part and cos x by sin x and cos x. So now cos x cancel to cos x, this becomes 1 upon sin x cos x dx. This I1 first part same as this part, we do yourself, and this becomes 1 upon sin x becomes cosecant x. Now integration of cosecant x, we have already done this question in second part. Integration of cosecant x log cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Now in fourth part it is given that 1 plus tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. Now we use the property of cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. It means this is the property reciprocal of cos 2x. So now we write it 1 upon cos 2x. इस property का हमने उल्टा कर दिया तो ये बनेगी 1 by cos 2x. 1 upon cos 2x is equal to secant 2x dx. Now integration of secant x, here the secant x integration is log secant x plus tan x plus c. So now log secant 2x plus tan 2x. Now derivative of 2x is 2. So then divided by 2, yeah, 1 by 2 log secant x plus tan x plus c. In fifth part it is given that 1 upon 1 minus cos 2x dx का इंटीग्रेशन आप करेंगे. 1 minus cos 2x ये हमारे पास प्रॉपर्टी है 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x. So now 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Now we take 1 by root 2 square out common and this square common to this square root we get 1 upon sin x dx. 1 upon sin x is equal to cosecant x dx. Now integration of these, again this property use 1 by root 2 as it is, and this becomes log cosecant x minus cot x integration of cosecant x plus a sec. In sixth part of this question we have solved 1 plus 2 tan x secant x plus tan x. We multiply these two inside, so we get 1 plus 2 tan x secant x plus 2 tan square x. Now this 2 tan square x we write this 1, इसको ब्रेकअप किया हमने 2 tan square x को tan square x plus tan square x, एक tan square x 1 plus tan square x इसके साथ हो गया प्लस another tan square as it is plus 2 tan x secant x. 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x plus tan square x plus 2 tan x secant x. Now this is the property of secant x plus tan x का whole square. This square cancel to this square root, we get secant x integration of this term tan x dx integration of this. Now integration of secant x equal to log secant x plus a tan x. We write this log secant x plus tan x, and this tan equal to minus log cos x या log secant x. We write this log secant x. ये भी लिख सकते हैं, cos भी लिख सकते हैं plus c. This is the part number 6. In seventh part it is said that sin 2x by में sin 5x cos sin 3x. Now we break these 2x in the form of this sin 5x minus 3x. We get 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. So now this becomes the property sin a minus b. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now we divide this sin a cos b by sin 5x sin 3x minus cos 5x sin 3x by these. Sin 5x cancel to sin 5x, sin 3x cancel to sin 3x. Cos 3x by sin 3x we get cot 3x, and this becomes cos 5 by sin 5 we get cot 5x. Now integration of both terms. We have integrate of this term to cot 3x. Now integration of cot is log sin x, so then we write is log sin 3x, and derivative of 3x divided by 3 minus this equal to log sin 5x by 5 plus c. This is your part number 7. In part number 8 you have used the property of this sin a minus b and do yourself. We get part number 8 same as part number 7. Now we solve question number, first we solve the question number 14. In question number 14 it is given that 1 by 1 minus sin x under the square root dx. So now we break up these 1 equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 or cos x by 2. Now this is the whole square of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the whole square of a minus b whole square under the square root. Now this square root cancel to these 2. We get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now we multiply and divided by square root 2. Now square root 2 this outside and 1 by root 2 cos x by 2 minus 1 by root 2 sin x by 2. Now this is your property. Now we write this. This is your sin pi by 4 cos x by 2 minus cos pi by 4 sin x by 2. Now this becomes sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, means sin a minus b. 1 upon sin means cosecant x by 2 minus pi by 2 1 by square root of 2 बाहर हो गया इसके साथ dx. Now integration of this term is integration of cosecant x. We get log cosecant x minus cot x. Then we write is log x by 2 minus pi by 2 4 minus cot x by 2 minus pi by 4 plus c. Now derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Then we use 2 to outside of this plus c. Second part of this question is sin x by 1 plus sin x under the square root. Do yourself. थोड़ा हिंट देता हूं आप +1 और माइनस 1. तो then this becomes 1 प्लस साइन एक्स, बाई में 1 प्लस साइन एक्स अंडर द स्क्वायर रूट माइनस 1 बाई में 1 प्लस साइन एक्स अंडर द स्क्वायर रूट. Then this term cancel to upper side and 1 प्लस साइन एक्स को ओपन करना है आपने ऐसे ही टोटली होल स्क्वायर के अंदर, और ये 1 प्लस साइन एक्स यहाँ माइनस है, यहाँ क्या है प्लस. तो यूजिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी एंड सोल्व सेम एज पार्ट